yung buhay ko, yung existence ko, kahit ordinaryo lang, may meaning ang buhay ko sa realidad. Sa anak ko, sa asawa ko, sa pamilya ko, sa ilang mga kaibigan ko. Yung mga experiences namin, yung mga conversations, the drinking, the laughter, the vacations, the sadness, the boredom, the excitement, lahat yun. Kahit alam ko na napakaikli lang ng buhay ko sa napakaliit na space sa buong universe, it matters. Because I can make it matter. I have the power to make it matter. Right here, right now. At hindi sa isang faraway imaginary future afterlife na I don't even know if it exists. So, what's the meaning and purpose of life? The answer is, there's no one single answer. And you will have to find and give that answer. That's the sad part, and that's the exciting part at the same time. Maybe your life will have no meaning. Maybe it will be meaningful. But the good thing is, you can choose that for yourself. For me, the meaning and purpose of my life is to live life. Live life to the fullest. Hindi yung mag-party all night until I die. Paminsan-minsan, oh. Pero it's more of exploring and learning and experiencing everything I can while I am alive, while I'm here. And to just be a good enough person to the people that matters to me, that when I die, I can become a good memory to the people that I will leave behind. And I'm contented with that. Okay na ako dun. Ikaw, what's the meaning and purpose of your life?
Walang Diyos sa puso, ngunit may pag-asa. Hindi sa langit, kundi sa lupa ang tadhana. Sa mga bituin, ako'y natutuwa.